Why schedule a foundation inspection? Foundation problems are a serious issue, but they're usually manageable if you catch them in time. Let's break down everything that the pros look for to keep your home safe and sound from the ground up. When you spot problem signs like cracks in your foundation, it's important to keep in mind that those are only symptoms. The next step should be to call the experts. Let them take a closer look and identify the root cause of your foundation problems. Now, you're probably asking, how much does a professional foundation inspection cost? Well, some companies will charge as much as a few $100s to have an inspector come out and evaluate your home. But at Groundworks, we believe a safer home is its own reward. That's why our foundation inspections are always free of charge. Here's how a professional foundation inspector spots problems in your home. First, they check your interior for common foundation issues. They'll look for cracks in the drywall, any cracks in the foundational wall, and they'll also check for smaller signs of trouble, like nail pops in the wall, doors or windows that are sticking or unable to open, or even bouncy and unlevel floors. And if you've got a basement, they'll check the walls for signs of bowing or bending walls. After checking the interior, the inspection usually continues on the outside of the home. An inspector will take a walk around the house and check for any exterior issues. Cracks in the brick, in the stucco, a chimney pulling away from the house, or even issues with the concrete slabs around the home, like a driveway or a patio. These signs can all point to serious foundation issues. After the inspection is complete, you'll get a detailed breakdown of all of the issues the inspector found throughout your home. Then, they'll work with you to design the most effective solution for your foundation and your budget. Foundation repair is not a one-size-fits-all solution. There are a lot of factors that go into choosing the best repair option, and a good inspector will be able to walk you through each step of the process. Foundation problems can be sneaky. Even if you don't see any visible problem signs, there could still be major issues with the foundation just below the surface. So contact Groundworks today and schedule your free inspection.